All right, here we go. FSD beta engaged. Max speed set to 27, just to be extra cautious.
You're 30 if the road's 30.
It's a 25.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks. Alongside me is special guest, Tesla Winston. Check him out on Twitter. Take in some backcountry scenic roads of full self-driving 11.4.4.
Very scenic area.
Oh, yeah.
See, no cars behind us. We're good. There's a very sharp corner up here we'll be able to watch it do. On this section, since it's such a straightaway, I'm going to bump it up to 32.
Not a problem, driver. Just keep us both safe.
Yep. Okay, a little bit of a slowdown there because I saw that other car, but I mean, that's just the car being extra cautious, which is good for a beta. The more caution, the better.
So what area are we cruising through?
This is called Rudder Parkway in North Spokane.
Oh, right on.
Yeah. It loops around 5 Mile Prairie and it goes into Indian Trail. There's some very nice houses back here hidden in the woods. Disengage for a pothole there. Probably didn't need to disengage. It was pretty small, but better safe than sorry.
Not a problem.
Are you able to see the car pretty well through the
Yeah,
trees?
yeah.
Oh, that's great.
It's a little narrow, so apologies for the cutting it closely as far as the shot of the car, but you guys get the idea.
And it's safer than going in between the trees.
Heck yeah. So, heck yeah.
All right, we got the sharp corner approaching here in about maybe half a mile. You might not be able to see me up through here. We'll see. I'm gonna drop our speed. Wow, beta handled that perfectly. I'm going to bump our speed back up to 30.
Nice and smooth. That was nice and smooth.
Yeah, very. See how it handles this. That was very smooth. Sorry, big pothole there.
Very good.
Wow, that was pretty big. There's another one. Wow, there's a lot of them right there. Sorry about that.
No, you're good. It just looks like some washout is what we're seeing from the air.
That was what it was, yeah. You can see the lane departure warning kicked in there. But yeah, that was a big one for sure. That's crazy. Yeah, Spokane is pretty well known for having terrible potholes. So that's a fun fact about Spokane.
It snows here a lot.
Yeah, it does. We get a lot of snow every summer. Or winter, wow.
Which causes potholes in the summer.
Exactly, yeah. Yep, so you got to be extra careful.
I knew where you were going with that.
Yep. All right, we're approaching it. It'll be interesting to see when beta starts recognizing suggested speed limits. You know, when there's a curve up ahead and the car wants to do 35, but really the speed should be about 25 through the area. So it'll be interesting when the car's going to be able to see that, as well as school zones.
When I was growing up, everyone called it suggested retail speeds.
I mean, yeah. Like, if I was driving it non-autopilot, I would be doing, 35 through this area, especially in a more or less performance vehicle like this. But when it comes to the beta, it's just better to take it nice and slow. when we were on our pre-drive coming through here, we went the other way, but when up here, it actually put the left-hand turn signal on, or right-hand turn signal on, to make a right turn when the road is actually just a right turn, like a right, you know, it didn't need its turn signal at all. So it'll be interesting to see if the car puts its left turn signal up here. So let's see what it does here. It says 15 miles an hour is the suggested speed. I'm expecting Autopilot to slow down, and it really is. So let's see. Okay, no left turn signal. That was very smooth. Let's see what it does here. Okay, that's really good. It's going over to the left-hand side. I'm going to bump our speed up here a little bit because we got a car coming up behind us. With standard Autopilot, what I've experienced is the car will start riding on the shoulder thinking it's 2 lanes, but really it's a shoulder that's pretty extended over.
That makes sense. Have you taken the beta out much from Spokane, or not really? Have you stayed mostly local with it?
Mostly local, yeah.
I see.
Yep. It'd be interesting to see how it handles like downtown Seattle.
That's what I'm asking. Like,
yeah.
I know some owners have taken it to other cities and tried it in other cities. Like,
yeah,
it'd be interesting to get your experience and your take on what you think it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, from watching whole Mars Catalogs videos, when he takes it down, you know, San Francisco area, I'd say it handles amazing. You know, compared to I think he's commented a couple times on Twitter and said that he has a zero intervention drives pretty often.
Yeah, it's pretty common.
Yeah. In areas like this, though, I mean, it's pretty common.
A lot of variables.
Yep, lots of variables.
But we're going to get there slowly but surely.
Yeah.
The progress, or the rate of progress, I think is what should be measured.
I agree. And it's impressive that a car like this is a 2018 December build. So you took delivery of it in January then, most likely?
No, this one is a March. I took delivery in March.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, right before the price increases in that quarter.
Oh, that's great. So it's 2018 technically, right?
Yes,
okay,
it's a 2018, but I took delivery in 19.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so it's impressive that a car like this, you know, can see all this, and it's 5 years old.
For sure.
And it's all software. You know, the car gets an update. There's no other auto manufacturer out there that can do that right now.
Oh, for sure.
And this is a civilian vehicle. It's not like Waymo or Cruise, which has all those sensors and stuff like that. This is just camera based.
With all the computers in the trunk.
Yeah, exactly. And all the cooling fans back there.
Right.
Okay, perfect. I did drop our speed there. I'm disengaging for this roundabout. It's just not worth it. Not worth the risk.
It's all right. We'll get to see how you drive through it.
Yeah, there you go. This is me driving through it about 14 miles an hour, just because there's passengers in the vehicle. And then coming out of it, I start accelerating. I'm gonna go around that pothole right there, and we'll go ahead and re-engage. Max speed sits at 38 miles an hour. Fun fact, viewers, up here I actually hit a pothole and blew out 2 tires on the left side. And so that was a pretty big bummer. And since it was on my mom's all-wheel drive, long range, we had to get 4 new tires for it. So I'll show you guys up here. You might be able to see it up on Andrew's camera. You're going to see a big giant black spot where they had to fill the pothole in. It's coming up right here. You can see it's all patched now, but it was a crater, I would say. I could fit my entire Nalgene water bottle in it very well. So yeah, that was unfortunate. All right, making a right-hand turn in here. We got a student driver here on the left, so pretty much 2 student drivers driving right now.
I was going to say, that sounds about right.
Everyone around us should be scared. All right, nice acceleration.
Oh, they shouldn't be. We're all safety people.
That's true, yeah. All right, we're pulling into our destination here. It's going to be on the right-hand side. We got a vehicle behind us. The beta's putting on the turn signal, and he's going around. Perfect, no vehicles around us. Coming in pretty slow, which, honestly, I give that okay, except for the braking. I give that a 10 out of 10. Handled very well.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah. All right, we'll disengage.
Well, you guys, thanks for joining us for this drive. Again, this is Gray Shot Down alongside Tesla Winston. Catch us out again on another edition of Full Self Driving sometime soon.